7 easy low-carb meals for diabetics. With diabetes diagnoses occurring at an alarming rate every few seconds globally, your meal choices matter more than ever. Could these simple low-carb options be your key to better blood sugar control? In today's video, we're revealing 7 easy low-carb meals for diabetics that will help you enjoy delicious food while keeping your blood sugar in check. Every meal have been scientifically shown to significantly lower fasting glucose levels, making it essential for anyone managing diabetes. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Diabetes Fixer and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Number 7. Pesto chicken zucchini noodles. Savor the delightful combination of tender chicken breast and fresh zucchini noodles, all brought together by a rich, zesty pesto sauce. Zucchini noodles are not only a low-carb alternative to pasta, but they also pack in vitamins A and C, while contributing just 3.5 grams of carbohydrates per cup. The lean chicken breast provides a high-quality protein source, essential for muscle maintenance and satiety, with each serving offering around 25 grams of protein and only 1 gram of carbs. A study published in Diabetes Care found that replacing high-carb foods with low-carb alternatives like zucchini can significantly reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes, making this dish an excellent choice for managing diabetes. For added flavor, consider mixing in a handful of cherry tomatoes, which are rich in antioxidants, and top it off with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. For an extra low-carb option, serve it over a bed of cauliflower rice, which adds fiber without the carbs. This dish is light, refreshing, and loaded with nutrients, making it perfect for a satisfying yet health-conscious meal. Next, we'll unveil another low-carb delight that balances hearty and healthy in a way that might surprise you. Number 6. Cauliflower fried rice. Cauliflower fried rice is a delicious low-carb twist on a classic favorite, making it an ideal choice for those managing their blood sugar. Cauliflower rice, with only about 25 calories and 5 grams of carbs per cup, is a nutrient-dense alternative to traditional rice. It's packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and promotes a feeling of fullness. To prepare this dish, start by pulsing fresh cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains, or opt for pre-packaged cauliflower rice for convenience. Sauté the cauliflower rice in a pan over medium heat until it softens and slightly browns, bringing out its nutty flavor. Add in a colorful array of vegetables like carrots, peas, and onions for a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. A splash of low-sodium soy sauce and a sprinkle of your favorite spices, such as ginger or garlic powder, elevate the taste while keeping it diabetes-friendly. This simple yet satisfying dish not only replicates the comforting taste of fried rice, but also supports your health goals by keeping your carb intake low. As you savor this meal, you'll be well prepared for another savory dish that transforms a comfort food classic into a blood sugar-friendly delight. Number 5. Stir-fried beef and broccoli. Savor the rich flavors of stir-fried beef and broccoli, a quick, low-carb meal perfect for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Start by searing thin slices of lean beef in a hot pan using just a touch of cooking spray. This method locks in the juices without adding unnecessary fats. Add in fresh broccoli florets, which are high in fiber and packed with vitamins C and K, supporting your immune system and bone health. For added color and nutrients, toss in crisp bell peppers or snap peas, which are rich in antioxidants. Enhance the dish with a splash of low-sodium soy sauce or sugar-free teriyaki sauce, which provide a savory depth without the extra carbs or sodium. Stir-fry everything together until the vegetables are tender crisp, ensuring they retain their nutrients and vibrant color. This flavorful dish offers around 20 grams of protein and just 6 grams of carbs per serving. Up next, stay tuned to another dish on our list that brings an unexpected twist to a well-loved comfort food. Number 4. Spinach feta stuffed chicken. Enjoy a deliciously balanced meal with spinach feta stuffed chicken, perfect for keeping your carb intake low and your taste buds satisfied. This dish features tender chicken breast packed with nutrient-rich spinach, which is high in fiber and essential vitamins like A and C. The tangy feta cheese adds a savory richness while providing calcium and protein. To prepare, lightly saute the spinach with garlic before stuffing it into the chicken breast along with the feta. Bake until the chicken is golden and cooked through, ensuring a juicy and flavorful result. Each serving offers approximately 35 grams of protein and just 3 grams of carbohydrates, making it a smart choice for blood sugar management. This easy-to-make dish is both satisfying and nutritious, fitting seamlessly into a diabetic-friendly diet. As we delve deeper into the list of low-carb meals, it's crucial to address some myths that could be derailing your efforts to manage diabetes. One major misconception is that simply reducing carbs is enough, but without considering the quality of ingredients, you might still face blood sugar spikes. For example, many low-carb recipes rely heavily on processed meats, which are often high in sodium and nitrates, substances that can increase the risk of heart disease, a serious concern for diabetics. The conflict here stems from the false sense of security these quick fixes provide. While they may cut down on carbs, they can introduce other health risks that undermine your overall wellness. Instead, opt for fresh, lean proteins and whole vegetables that nourish your body without hidden dangers. Next, we'll uncover another common food that might be secretly working against your blood sugar goals, revealing a surprising ingredient that's more harmful than you think. Number 3. Shrimp and avocado salad. Enjoy a refreshing and nutrient-dense shrimp and avocado salad that combines lean protein with heart-healthy fats. Shrimp is an excellent source of high-quality protein, offering about 20 grams per serving with minimal carbs, making it ideal for blood sugar management. Avocado, rich in monounsaturated fats, helps to lower bad cholesterol while providing fiber that promotes satiety and aids in glucose control. Enhance the salad's nutritional profile by adding leafy greens like spinach, which are low in calories and packed with vitamins A and C. For an added crunch, toss in a handful of sunflower seeds, rich in magnesium, which plays a key role in blood sugar regulation. Top it off with a zesty dressing made from fresh lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil, ensuring you keep your carb intake low while maximizing flavor. And now, get ready to discover another hearty, low-carb dish that perfectly balances indulgence with health. Number 2. Turkey and vegetable skillet. For a quick, nutrient-packed meal, try the turkey and vegetable skillet. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add lean ground turkey, rich in protein and low in saturated fats, and cook until it's golden brown. Next, toss in a vibrant mix of bell peppers, zucchini, and asparagus, each offering a bounty of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Season with a blend of herbs like thyme and rosemary, which not only enhance flavor but also provide anti-inflammatory benefits. For an extra nutritional boost, sprinkle in a handful of spinach during the last minute of cooking. It adds iron and magnesium without raising the carb count. This dish is not only low in carbohydrates, but also delivers around 30 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber per serving, making it ideal for blood sugar control. Before we unveil our number 1 meal, we have some exciting news to share. We're thrilled to offer you 3 extraordinary free gifts designed to support your journey in managing diabetes more effectively. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Foods That Lower Blood Sugar. This isn't just a list, it's a treasure trove of delicious and nutritious culinary delights. Each food item is carefully selected to help maintain stable blood sugar levels while satisfying your taste buds. Then, for all the cooking enthusiasts out there, we're excited to present our special recipe book. This collection is brimming with ingenious, low-carb alternatives to your favorite staples like rice, pasta, and bread. These recipes are crafted to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar, allowing you to enjoy your meals guilt-free. And lastly, you'll gain access to our breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, backed by 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click the link in the description below. Each of these resources is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your health. Now, let's get back to our countdown and unveil the #1 meal that tops our list of the 7 easy low-carb meals for diabetics. Number 1. Eggplant lasagna. Eggplant lasagna is a delicious and innovative twist on a classic comfort food that's perfect for anyone managing diabetes. Instead of using traditional pasta, this dish features thinly sliced eggplant, a nutrient-dense vegetable that's low in carbs and calories. Eggplant provides only about 20 calories and 5 grams of carbs per cup, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carb intake. It's also high in fiber, which promotes satiety and supports healthy digestion, making it easier to control portion sizes. To prepare this low-carb lasagna, start by slicing the eggplant into thin, even layers, and lightly salting them to draw out excess moisture. This step not only enhances the texture, but also prevents the lasagna from becoming watery. Once prepped, layer the eggplant slices with a rich marinara sauce, ricotta cheese, and a sprinkle of mozzarella. These ingredients not only add depth of flavor, but also contribute valuable nutrients like calcium and protein, which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and bone health. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that eggplant contains compounds called nasunin and chlorogenic acid, which have been shown to significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels, further supporting heart health, a crucial consideration for those with diabetes. When baked to perfection, this lasagna offers a satisfying meal that doesn't compromise on taste or health benefits. Plus, with its low-carb profile, you can enjoy it without the typical blood sugar spikes associated with traditional pasta dishes. Incorporate eggplant lasagna into your meal rotation for a flavorful, hearty dish that aligns with your dietary needs, helping you stay on track with your health goals while savoring every bite. So there you have it, the 7 easy low-carb meals for diabetics. Each of these meals is carefully crafted, not just to satisfy your taste buds, but to support your blood sugar management goals. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to low-carb meal that helps keep your blood sugar in check? Have you tried any of these recipes? Or do you have your own twists that you'd recommend? Sharing your tips and experiences in the comments below could inspire and help others on their journey. If this video has provided you with valuable insights or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetes Fixer, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss an update. The Super Thanks feature is also a fantastic way to help us continue bringing you valuable health insights. Before you go, don't forget to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts in the description below. They're packed with tips and recipes designed to help you manage diabetes more effectively. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and here's to a brighter, healthier you.